Bob! Stop it!
Good morning.
Kulungo. Pagtarong ba?
Ha?
Pagtarong. Sabi, anak, oh, it's so wet, anak. Ayush! Oh no, have a look at your face, oh. How about the things that you don't like about me?
How long have we got?
Good morning, everyone.
Look what Daddy's got.
Happy Tuesday. Paris is going to school.
Daddy's got this one.
The shops.
Are you going to the shops and not going to school? Okay. If you say so, Paris. I love your bag. I love your bag. Can you show me your bag, please? Ayaw niyang pupunta ng school, guys. What's inside your bag? Can we do a bag raid?
It's a flower.
It's a flower?
Fly.
Come on, let's go. It's open na. Open na. Are you whistling? Are you whistling? Go. So it's now 11:17 ng umaga, guys, and kakadrop lang namin kay Baby Paris sa childcare. Nandito kami ngayon sa Mount Waverly Shops. Bumibili kami ng aming hot drinks. Late na namin nadala si Paris sa childcare kasi both Mike and I are on leave today. Kaya, yeah, wala kaming work and nag-sleep in si mami niyo. Yes. Thank you, Dad. Where are you going? Huh? Oh, okay. So I got my drink here now, guys. I am having hot chocolate. Binalikan lang ni Daddy Mike yung pie ko. Kasi I asked him to buy me a steak, cheese, and bacon pie. Do you want to say good morning, Daddy? Bob! Stop it!
Good morning.
Kulungo. Pagtarong ba?
Ha?
Pagtarong.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I've had 1 hour sleep.
1 hour sleep. Yeah. Daddy went to bed late, guys.
6:30 a.m.
Nanood kasi siya ng 90 Day Fiancé. Was that
90 Day
the channel?
Fiancé.
Yeah, 90 Day Fiancé. At naumagahan na siya. Sobrang nahook talaga siya sa show na yun. Anyways, andito ang aking pie. Hi guys! So it's now 3:30 ng hapon and it's the last day na wala akong trabaho. Kaya nag-relax muna ako. And I've got Daddy Mike here. We decided na Don't. Stop! Maglilinis kami ng bahay, guys. Linis. Good for him kasi he's not working for 2 weeks, yeah? Yeah, 2 weeks. Naka-annual leave si Daddy Mike, guys, kaya wala siyang work. But anyways, yung gagawin namin ngayon, before namin pick upin ang ating baby girl, ay maglilinis kami. And tingnan nyo ang ating flower, guys. Oh, nalanta na yung mga bulaklak. Dito na lang naiwan. Isa water, Bob? Ayan. Meron pa tayong mga tutupiin. Ayan. And there's more there, Paris' toys. So that's what we're gonna do. And then we've got the TV on kasi gusto ni Daddy Mike na manood while we're cleaning the house. And that's, what's that, Daddy?
90 Day Fiancé.
90 Day Fiancé. That's Daddy's current favorite show. The floor is so wet, guys. Nag-mop si Daddy Mike. Nilagyan niya ng disinfectant. Ayan. Ayan siya. Gusto ko sanang i-share sa inyo yung plant natin, guys. Sorry, Daddy. Ayan. Tingnan nyo, oh. Nag-open na talaga yung leaf na to. Ayan. Sobrang masaya dito yung plant na to, guys. Diba, malapit na to siyang malanta sana nung nasa kwarto siya. But here, it's looking pretty and healthy. Ayan. Gusto ko lang i-share to sa inyo, guys. May dumating kasi na parcel and ito yung mga napamili ko na damit for baby Paris. And super cute lang nila talaga. Do you like this, Daddy?
It's very nice.
Tingnan nyo. Itong dress, tapos may mga cat sa gilid. Paris will look very cute on them, guys.
And she loves cats.
She loves cats, yes. Smells so good. Tingnan nyo to, guys. Oh, is this hot, Daddy?
Yes. Don't, because it's just...
Tingnan nyo. Nag-light si Daddy ng kando. Oh, nilagay mo dito. What did you put here, Daddy? Gitagalog si Daddy Mike.
Peppermint and easy breathe.
Smells good. And then the second one is this one.
You know what they call it?
No.
Tartan.
Huh? Tartan? Yeah, I know the print. Are you saying? I thought like the type of dress. Ayan, sobrang ganda nito, guys. Lagyan lang ng black or white shirt sa ilalim. Paris will look like a schoolgirl. Pag sinuot niya to.
White stockings.
And then, yeah. And then, the third one is this one. Na pang work. Yes. This one looks like something that I'm going to wear, guys. Itong mga style na ganito sinusuot ko pag nagtatrabaho ako sa opisina. Yan. Super cute. And then the last one is this white shirt. Sobrang ganda ng kanyang style sa harapan. Ayan. Super nice. I got them from Shein pala. And then may mga kasama nito, guys, na mga damit ko. But then I'm going to share that with you in the next video. Kasi Mike and I are doing my husband rates my outfit video. And yeah, we're going to feature all that clothing, guys, na napamili ko from Shein. So stay tuned for that. And then now, Daddy Mike just finished mopping the floor. Thank you, Daddy. Well done.
Welcome.
And now we're just going to clean the
Kitchen.
yeah, the kitchen, and then we'll go pick up our baby. On our last Q&A, some of our lovely subscribers said that since, you know, because you only said the things that you love about me, so they were asking like, how about the things that you don't like about me?
How long have we got? Kidding.
So you tell our lovely subscribers now what the things that you don't like about mommy.
I'll give you the top 3. How about that?
Okay, all right, I'm listening.
Top 3. And I don't even need to think about this.
Okay.
So firstly, the number one thing that I dislike about Jovey, or that I would like Jovey to change, is the amount of time she spends on her phone.
Well, I am taking a step towards that. Diba, guys? I told you about it.
Every waking moment, to the point where we're going to sleep, I can see that light, and Jovey zoomed in. But that's not just Jovey, that's pretty much everyone. Like I just hate it. Because you lose, you just lose, you're not in the moment, you lose so many special times. And anyway, I'm not a fan. Secondly would be Jovey's cleanliness. She'll generally take things out and then leave it there, and she's happy to leave it until she's ready to do it, which can be a couple of days. Which for me, it's like, it has to be done now. And the last one for me would be for Jovey to take more of an interest in certain things that I like. Like we used to, or she used to when we were first dating. Like, I enjoy working out and stuff, and I actually enjoy it a lot more when we're doing that sort of thing together. And I just think it's, you know, it strengthens a good relationship and a good bond. But yeah, that sort of ties into the phone a little bit, because Jovey's very busy on the phone.
Yeah.
But other than that, that's it.
I think the first one, I'll just give a feedback on the first one. What was the first one again?
Your phone consumption.
Yeah, that's right. So I mentioned it already on our previous video that I am taking a step to minimize my time on my phone. Most of the time kasi guys, the reason is yun sabi ko nga, nag-edit ako, I transfer my videos from the camera to the phone, and then yun na nga, as mentioned, nakukulangan yung time ko for Daddy Mike and for Paris because I'm always on my phone trying to edit and all. Some of that is online shopping as well, you know what I mean?
Talking to the family.
Yeah, talking to the family.
Checking
and
your comments.
Exactly. There's just a lot of things going on. Kaya nakatutok ako sa phone all the time. And then the second one, the cleanliness. Yes, guys, I agree with that one. But you know what I mean? Like, it's not that I am dirty. I'd say messy. You know what I mean? It's not dirty that I'm, you know, like it's really dirty here. You know what I mean? It's just a mess. Because I admit that, guys, na minsan, when I take things out, hindi ko binabalik kung saan dapat ibalik agad. Yun. Minsan yung mga, for example, kapag nag-change ako ng damit, ganun, may kinuha ako, this is what I'm going to wear today. Tapos, minsan guys, iniiwan ko siya sa bed na hindi ko siya hinahang ulit. Yung mga things na ganun. The third one is,
yeah, like having, you know, being more open and interested.
Interested. Yeah, that's right. As what Daddy Mike said, when we were still dating, we used to go to the gym every single day. But I also told you, Bob, that things has changed now. Yes, we can go to the gym, I don't know, whenever we can, but it's impossible to do it regularly now. For me, you know what I mean? Like,
it's not just gym. I'm talking like everything, like lots of things.
Like what?
Just lots of things, like watching movies together.
Yeah, that's what I mean. It all goes back to
your phone.
My phone. Yeah, so that's the root of all evil. Kasi yun na nga, nag-start lahat sa phone. Kasi super busy ko sa phone all the time and all. Kaya yun yung nangyayari. It doesn't mean that I'm not interested at all, you know, doing things with Daddy Mike. It's just that because I get distracted with other things. Like editing and just, yeah, lots of things on the phone. Guys. Alright guys, we're gonna clean the kitchen now or else we're gonna start fighting and punching each other's face. Oh, I'm gonna be a Manny Pacquiao soon, guys. Anyways, like, kidding aside, we are now... Thank you for that, Daddy. So there you go, guys. You know now the things that Daddy Mike dislike about me. So there's no such perfect relationship. There are things that, you know, we have clashes. Things that he doesn't like about me, and there are also things that I don't like about him. So, but at the end of the day, love wins. Char.
Yeah, like I didn't, like honestly, like it's not a deal breaker.
Yeah. What's the deal breaker for you then?
There's none. Like at the end of the day, to me, there's actually none. Anything can be discussed and worked out if it's worthwhile working out.
Yeah.
Anything, but other than that, like, yeah, it doesn't mean that just because it's not a deal breaker that you shouldn't try and fix it, because I think you can live a better life. Like today, we put the phones down today. And
so here we are again, phones.
I'm saying, we put the phones down today.
So in general, it's the phone. So I think we can conclude now that we should break the phone, throw it away, and just...
I think what we got for Paris, you know, like we should do that on your phone. Her YouTube control, you know, the
yeah, true.
We'll put the lock on your phone.
Yeah, that's what we do with Paris, guys, with the iPad. As you can see, naglalaro siya sa iPad niya. But then, we put, what's the timer? Yeah. So, 30 minutes, and then the iPad just turns off itself. And Paris just stopped watching, so yeah. Yeah, I think you could try.
No.
Anyways, come on, Daddy. Let's go. Let's do. Yes, I do the cooking. Yes, I do the cleaning.
Did you have fun?
Yes. Daddy will sign you up.
Say bye-bye, fish.
Bye bye, fish. Bye bye, fish.
What is, Mommy?
Who's that?
Look her up for the fishy.
What's that? No.
Fish tank.
There's a fish in there. What's the color of the fish?
Up.
Wait, Daddy's signing you up. Wait, sir.
My
Up.
Yeah.
Yeah. How was your day?
Up and daddy pick
How
up.
was your day, my love? A fish.
Bye-bye, fishy. Bye-bye.
It's cookie.
That's cookie.
It's a parrot.
Are you Princess Paris?
Yes.
Yes.
Are you Princess
It's
Paris?
my baby.
That's your jacket.
It's my cell phone.
So did you tell Tiffany that your name is Princess Paris?
I'm trying cheese.
Did you have to?
My hat.
It's raining, Paris.
And my hat.
You wear hat. You got your hoodie on. Hoodie. Sobrang ginaw, guys. It's only 13 degrees today.
Of course, coming. After 10 hours.
Yes.
Fish.
Cover your head. Cover your head. Oh no.
I think I can doing it. Oh, it's mine.
Is that your
Ready?
car? Where's your car, Paris? Where? Where?
Right.
Give Princess Paris a prize.
Rice.
Price. May mali pa dos kasi umuulan. Sobrang saya ni baby girl.
This car.
Who's that car? Who's that? Jumping up and down the muddy puddle. Splish, splish, splash, splash, splash.
Oh, Mommy.
Nak, you have to change your boots, Nak. You have to change your shoes to your boots.
No.
Oh no, because it's very cold. Come on, my love. Go in, run. This is wet. Woohoo!
My turn.
Your turn, my love. Open the door, please. Go, Larina.
Daddy.
Yes! Come on. Have a look at the room. Have a look. It's clean.
It's cleaning.
Is it clean?
Nak, have a look at your toys. Mama cleaned it. Have a look.
Say thank you, mommy.
My queen is a house.
That's the house, yeah.
My queen is.
Mommy cleaned it.
My queen are bites.
Yes, that's
Say
right.
thank you, mommy.
Have a look at your books. See, it's organized. Say thank you, Mommy. You're welcome, Princess. You're welcome. Does it smell good here now?
Papa Pig.
Yay! Diretso siya sa kanyang TV. Take shoes off, Magbe.
No, ako na.
Huh? You don't want to take it off?
Nah, take it off first.
Take it off and be comfortable, honey. Yay! Blow the bubbles, Paris.
They're funny.
It's so funny. Good job! Well done, honey. Blow again. Woo! Hala, basa-basa na po ng salog nga gi mapansin mong daddy nak.
Ooh, that's a drop.
What is that?
Wow.
Wow! Great job, Paris. Look! Wow, blow! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I just got cute up. Blow sa baby eye. There you go. More. More. Oh, goy, what na? What's my baby girl doing? Unsa daw? Well, it's been raining, nak. Oh, very cold outside, nak. What are you trying to do? Hala, mommy is cooking man, daddy. I do it. Mommy's cooking man, nak. Mataga ka, nak. Nandito na naman siya sa kanyang favorite na spot, oh.
This way.
What are you doing? You're watering the plants. Good job, Paris.
I will cheat.
Good girl. Hold on, anak. Finish na?
No, not finished.
Finish naman.
No.
They're all wet na, uy. You have to do it there, oh. Sa gamot.
That one.
Yeah, you have to come down for that.
No, no.
Hala. Daddy! Daddy! Sabi, anak, oh, it's so wet na, anak. Ay, shush! Oh, no, have a look at your face, oh. Oh. I love you, anak. Are you watering the plants? Good girl. Oh, finish na rin.
No.
Finish na, anak.
I
Wala ka na eh. Trunk. Go. This one, oh. Do that one instead. Kaya nasa ubos. Good job. Well done. The plant only, ha? Well done, Paris. We're gonna cook dinner now, guys. Nag-marinate pala ako ng chicken. Ayan. So, chicken with tocino mix. Originally pala, dapat yung pork na binili ko from the supermarket the other night. Kasi yung pork belly ba, kasi masarap talaga yun siya itocino. Unfortunately, nung chinek ko guys, sabi doon, best before 2nd of October. So, off na siya. Kaya, tinapon na namin guys. And, luckily, meron tayong naka-frozen na chicken wings. And yan yung minarinate ko. And lulutuin na natin guys. The rice is also cooking now. And let's do this para makakain na tayo guys. It's now actually 7 o'clock ng gabi. And I don't think this is gonna take long. Mabilis lang to siya lutuin guys. Pakuluan lang to. Okay na. And then we'll make sure na si Paris will go to bed at 8:30. Tapos, ang tawag nito, while we're in bed, at least meron siyang half an hour para magbasa-basa ng libro or we can talk to her. Kasi, recently, Paris has been going to bed late. Like, 10 or 11, ganun. And then, sa umaga, pag nagising siya for school, umiiyak siya kasi kulang yung tulog niya. Kaya, Daddy Mike and I decided na we will take Paris to bed around 8:30. So, at least by 9 o'clock, makakatulog na siya. And then, she'll sleep the whole night. And gigising siya ng maaga for school na walang iyak-iyak. It's nearly 9 o'clock ng gabi guys and we are now in bed. Nakapaghilamos na si ate nyo. Kaya ayan, kumikintab na naman ang ating kamukhaan. Hindi ko pa pala nalagay yung night cream 3 guys. Yung 2 lang kasi ang ating baby girl ayan na oh. Kailangan pa nating bihisan yung top niya. Si Daddy Mike, nabihisan niya yung bottom pero kailangan pa yung sa taas. Pero nag-toothbrush na yan siya at naghilamos na. Before natin i-end ang ating vlog, as always, hindi natin makakalimutan ang ating positive quote of the day, which says, I choose to shake my own snow globe every day. Ayan. So, si mami nyo rin ay matutulog ng maaga kasi back to work na ako tomorrow after 6 weeks na hindi nag-work, guys. So, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat sa always na pagsubaybay sa ating channel, sa palaging panonood at palaging pagko-comment. I appreciate you all. At ngayon ay mag-shoutout lang tayo. And the first shoutout goes to 4J Apolinario. Shout out din daw sa kanyang asawa at mga anak sa Kalibo, Aklan. Shout out to Cain Bernales, Chari Salazar. Shout out to Salazar and Juarez family sa Silay City, Negros Occidental. And also to Alexa and Eileen Suganob sa Iloilo City. Shout out to Jennifer Gires from Bulacan. Lynn Ahmad. Shout out to Cherry May Ungayo. Shout out to Hannah Saromines, Mary Grace Vida, Cora Tagapulot from CDR. Shout out to Arlene De Torres, Erica Peralta. Shout out to Astirel Josiah, Nancy Del Rosario, Jersey Carzano, Hazel Pasatiempo. Shout out to Janzi Pinay, Australia. Wen Filipina, Balot Bakay, Jane Sebastian, Joanne Awano, It's Me, Joanne Eve, Alan Esteves, Patricia Mondoyo, Arlene Hoover, Jojo, Clarice Torres, Madeline Galicia, and Susana Webb. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye-bye.
bye! Mwah.